two of the most loved fast food in the world. But which is better? This is my opinion and the reason why. Pizza and chicken is both very delicious and customizable. But one is definitely better. I think that is pizza. The reason why is first, pizza and chicken is both customizable. But you can taste all the flavors at once when eating pizza. Second, chicken is too greasy. I like greasy food, but chicken is too greasy. But pizza is just enough. Thank you for listening.